Today, we're going to be building a column drop for our 1934 Pierce Arrow project. I purchased an Ididit floor shift tilt column. Here we go. So here we are in the car. I determined the seat height just by stacking some wood up and some tool cases, and then where the steering wheel should land. I had a temporary steering wheel in there. It landed on a 6 or 7 inch off the floor seat height with a little bit of wiggle room. I'm 6'9", so I need some headroom, and should have plenty of leg room based on this as well. See, when I pan in here, just have it held up with some zip ties I adjusted to compensate for the original trim piece that actually goes just above the steering column there. It's got about 1.5 inches or so. It is adjustable from the factory mount. It goes up and down depending on where I tighten it up at, so I still have some adjustability there. The steering column sticks out about 4 inches from the firewall, as Ididit sort of recommends, 3 to 4 inches, and then I have about a 36-inch double D shaft I'll be putting in here. So I try to spare myself the embarrassment of YouTube watching me get in this car till I have a floor in it. So now I'm in the car. You can see right here I already did my arts and crafts. And I already mounted that 1x2 or 1x2 up here. So essentially I'm just going to make a piece of sheet steel. It'll sit down there like that, and then I'll mirror it on the other side and then make a 1 inch just to sort of match that whole thing. Say, I got it in here. Not real happy that I should have ordered this wire further down, but I didn't know, so maybe I'll get a longer one and fill that hole. But it's nice and sturdy in here, not going anywhere. You can see I grounded down a little bit. Obviously this will be painted and body work, so there'll be some more work done to this. But you know, I probably have I don't know, maybe 3 hours in this thing, so I don't know what your time's worth, but
you know, making one of these might be a good savings of $180, and then you can buy some good Flaming River U-joints and double D shaft, so your steering's safe. If you're not looking for a machined billet look like the store-bought ones are. But anyway, I'm happy with this to save some money. Bought the steering shaft with that money I saved, and then we'll move on to the next thing. That's it for today, and hopefully I'll have something here soon.